Hi, to install Samsung calculator on the Samsung Galaxy A34, as a first step, just open Apps Library and make sure it is not here. If you cannot find it, then you need to open Play Store app and take a look at its bottom part. Here you'll see the 4 tabs. We are interested in the search bar, so let's just enter the word calculator. And now we need to install the right version. So we are interested in this green one, Samsung calculator from Samsung Electronics. Tap it and select the option to install. And within a couple of seconds, it will be installed. You can immediately open it from here, or you can just swipe up to open the list of apps, and this is how it will look. You can open it immediately and use it. And also, if you want to reorganize it, you can just hold it, select the button to add to home, and now create some folders. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.